Good afternoon. I'm Rob, and this is Custom LED and FiberOptics in Hollywood, Florida. I was going to sit here today and I was going to tell everybody about our LEDs, what makes them different, what makes them better. The truth is that who wants to see that? I mean, do you really want to listen to me talking? And then I thought, I got an idea. Let's build something. Instead of talking about what we do, let's show you what we do. So, let's go build something cool. We have a pretty good sized facility, 3,000 feet, all under air, where everything that we do is assembled. Pretty cool stuff. Let's take a walk over to one of the work areas. This is actually my work area. Well, let's start here. Okay. Well, let's get started. First thing we want to do is let's take a strip of LEDs here. Let's make sure that they work. Yeah, that works. Okay. So let's get a little solder on here. Strip the ends off. Let's tin these so they're easier to solder onto the strip itself. We can solder them into place. Okay. And we're good. So what we're going to do with these is we're going to put this into our aluminum extrusion here. Normally the activator would be put on with a squeeze bottle, but I don't have a squeeze bottle today, so we're just going to do this with a brush because it's a small piece. This is just to make sure that everything stays in place. Even though we do have the best tape, we have genuine 3M tape, the extra step guarantees that we don't have comebacks. Alright, what we'll do is we'll let that set up and then we'll lay some tape down. Okay, now that the activator has set up, pull off the backing paper. Of our extrusion. And everything looks beautiful. Now, next thing we have to do, a little bit of glue on the ends. And then we do the other. Okay, once that's done, a little bit more on the end of the tape. I want to make sure that when we pour our resin over this, that it doesn't pop up. We'll wait about 5 minutes, and then we're going to resin this entire strip. Okay, next step. Resin. Okay, so let's mix the two of these together. And let's pour resin. Now, if you take a real close look,